Hello students, class 12th IP, welcome back. Today I am continuing Panda series topic again, but today I am discussing about slicing operation. Okay, so slicing operation of a pandas series. Okay, slicing operation. So you can see first for default index. Okay, for default index. So here I am using import pandas as pd. Okay, here I am using as is equal to pd dot series. Here I am using list concept to store this value 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Then here I am closing this and I want to print this panda series. Print as, control S, F5. So you can see the output. You can see the output. So you can see the output in 0 position 10, 1 is 20, 30, 40. So this is our default index and this is our respective value. But today our main purpose is to show the multiple selected value one by one. So here I am using, we know very well, here is a forward index concept and backward index concept. So today I am discussing forward index concept for a slicing operation. So using forward index for slicing, so you can see here I am using print simply as, and we can use square bracket. Here I am using index 0 colon 0, then bracket close. You can see start from 0 and stop from 0. So yeah, always one less. Okay, always one less. So it will not display any kind of output because it will display empty, because start from 0 and stop 0 or on and one less. So there is no value will come. But here I am writing print as in 0 colon 1. Okay, so start from 0 position and stop 1, but this is 1 less, so start from 0 and stop to again 0, so it will 0 as of 0 value. So you can see control S F5. So our output is only 10 because start from 0 and stop to again 1 less, so 0 position. Now print as 0 colon 2. So you can see start from 0 and 0, 1 and 2, but 2 is always 1 less. We know very well in range function, so it always 1 less. So here start from 0 to 2, but 1 less, so here 0 to 1. So our output is 0 to 1, it will display. So you can see this is our final. Start from 0, 10 and this is 20. Okay, now we can copy and paste. Here I am using 3. So you can see start from 0, 1, 2 and we already provide maximum 3. So 1 less. So 1 less means 0 to 2 it will display. Control S F5. You can see 0, 1 and 2 and 1 less. Okay, now control S F5. Here I am using 4. So start from 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and because we always maximum 1 more, but it will display 1 less, so it will display 10 to 40. So you can see here I am control S F5. So you can see the output 10, 20, 30 and 40. Okay, now I am using last Control C, Control 5. Here I am using 5. So you can see our minimum index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 means 1 less. So 0 to 4 it will display. Okay, so you can see F5. So you can see our starting to last. So you can see we can use all the values for multiple selected value from the using a slice. Okay, now using iLok for slicing. Okay, same thing we can perform using a iLok. Here one thing we need to change. Here we can use print s dot iLok and in square bracket we can use 0:0. Okay, so it will this statement and this statement is same, because iLok means integer location. iLok means integer location of index. So start from 0 and again to 0 and 1 less. Okay, with 1 less. Okay, so it will not display any kind of value. Okay, so here I am using again Control C, Control V. Here I am using 1. So start from 0 and stop 1, but 1 less. So start from 0 and again stop to 0. So this statement and this statement exactly work same. So you can see Control S, F5. So you can see this is our starting value. Start from 0 and stop to 0. Now Control S, F5. Here I am using 2. Control S, F5. So you can see start 0, 10, then value is 1, or here is 2. So always in 1 less. Okay, so you can see this output. Here I am using again Control C, Control V. Here I am using 3. Okay, Control S, F5. So you can see in this, so 0, 1, 2. So you can see same thing using we can index, or same thing we can perform using a iLok. Okay, so here we can access values from start to our desired index position using a iLok. So we have several ways to access multiple values. So you can see start from 0 and 1 less index. So you can see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now next here I am using 5. So you can see output 0 to 4 because only 1 less. So you can see this is our output. Okay, now we can use log. We can use log. Okay, but log generally work with label index. Work with always label index. Okay, so for this purpose we can use our label index program. So here I am writing s is equal to pd dot series. Here I am writing for label index slicing operation. Okay, so you can see here I am writing 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, and here I am using index. This is important. Here I am using for index A, B, B, C, D and E. Okay, so this is our index and we can print this, print as. So you can see last time our index is 0, but now label we can already change A, 1 index change into B, 2 index change into C, third index change into D and fourth index change into E. So we can say this is our label index. Okay, this is our label index. So you can see Control S F5. So you can see the output. This is our label index, because Panda series provide a good facility. We can change our default index into label index. For label index slicing, okay, we can use log for label index slicing operation. Okay, we must use log. Okay, so you can see here I am using print s dot log. Here I am using a colon a. So start from a and but here most important one thing, it include stop index. Okay, it include stop index. So our output is 10, but here ilog, it does not include stop index, so it will not generate any kind of output. It will generate empty set. But here important thing is, here starting and stopping index not one less, it also include the step index position. So you can see F5. So you can see here 10 will display, but in ilog 10 will not display because it is not one less. It does not include in the stop index, but log always include stop index. So we can say log includes stop index position. Okay, now if you want to display 10 and 20, okay, so simply we can copy and paste. Here I am changing one thing, B. So here 10, A position 10, in B position 20. So our output is 10 and 20. You can see F5. So our output is, you can see 10 and 20. Here one good thing is, it include our stop index. It is not one less. So it cover our stop index also. Okay, it is not one less. Suppose if you want to display 10, 20 and 30, we can simply copy and paste. Here I am using C. So you can see the output 10, 20 and 30. We can say exactly it start, exactly it stop. Okay. Now we can Control C, Control V. Here I am using D. So output is 10, 20, 30 and 40. Okay. Here we can use again E. So you can see F5. So you can see the our complete structure we can see. Okay. So okay, in label index we can also use ilog. Okay, for label index we can also use ilog. Okay, but one less. Okay, one less index position. So here one thing is, it does not include stop index. So here I am changing and work with only integer index. Okay, so here only work with integer index. So we can see Control C, Control V. So here I am using again 0, 3, but here we must use ilog, because ilog only work with numerical index. It does not work with our label index. So we cannot write in this style A colon 2 suppose B. So we cannot write in this manner, because it will generate error. Because ilog always work with numerical index, integer location. So it will generate error. Okay, so it will generate error. So for this purpose here I am changing again numerical 0:3. So you can see the what is the output here. 0, 1 and 2, 10, 20 and 30 will display. 10, 20 and 30 will display. Okay, so you can see. So we can also use ilog, but again again we keep in mind always one less stop index. Okay, it does not include the stop index. Only ilog provide this kind of facility. It will include the stop index and only work with label index. Okay, but ilog work with only numerical index value. Okay, to access values in middle, we can also access value from middle. So we can use print s dot ilog. Okay, here I am using 2:5. So what is the output? You can see 0, 1, 2. 2 is 30, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so 30, 40 and 50 will, you can see the output. The output is 20, 30 and 30. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and always one less. So in it 2 to 4 you can see the output 30, 40 and 50. So we can also include the middle position. So print, here again I am using log. Okay, for this purpose. So here second position index is C. So here I am using C colon, the last index is E. So we can get the same output. Okay, C to E. It includes the stop index, so no problem. C, D and E. So same output we can see F5, 30, 40 and 50. Okay, this is using a ilog. This is using a log with label index. Okay, so we can also perform slice operation in the middle position. Okay, thank you students.